Breaking news out of Texas. Karmelo Anthony is back in court today, fighting to overturn his murder conviction and get a new trial in the death of 17-year-old Austin Metcalf. But this time, there is a major difference. The judge who presided over Anthony's original trial has been removed from the case. Anthony was convicted earlier this year in the fatal stabbing of Austin Metcalf during a high school track meet in Frisco, Texas. The jury rejected Anthony's claim of self-defense and convicted him of murder. He was sentenced to 35 years in prison. Now, Anthony's new legal team says the original trial was affected by serious procedural and constitutional problems, and they are asking the court for a new trial. One of the biggest developments came Wednesday. Judge John Roach, who presided over the original trial, was removed from the post-trial proceedings after Anthony's lawyers raised concerns about his impartiality. The defense pointed to comments the judge made after the conviction, including remarks defending his previous decisions. A visiting judge agreed that his comments could reasonably raise questions about impartiality. Judge Michael Chitty will now oversee the next stage of the case. And today's hearing has brought another major development. Prosecutors revealed evidence that the original jury never heard. That included allegations involving Anthony's behavior and messages sent before the killing. Prosecutors say some of this material was kept out of the original trial because both sides had reached an agreement to avoid introducing certain inflammatory evidence. The defense, however, is arguing that problems surrounding the trial denied Anthony a fair proceeding. So, what happens now? The new judge must decide whether the arguments presented by Anthony's defense are enough to justify a new trial. And this is important. Anthony has not been granted a new trial at this point. His conviction and 35-year sentence remain in place unless the court rules otherwise. This case is far from over. A convicted teenager is now fighting to have his murder conviction overturned, while prosecutors are defending the original verdict. As the judge considers the request for a new trial, the next ruling could have a major impact on the future of the Karmelo Anthony case. Follow for verified true crime updates as this story develops.